In this video, you're going to learn how to change your CL-Z010 refrigerator water filter. Before you replace the water filter in your refrigerator, make sure the ice maker is turned off. To remove the filter, turn the filter counterclockwise to unlock and then pull down on the filter out of the housing. Open the new filter cartridge from its packaging and remove the orange protective cap. To replace, simply reverse the process with your new filter. Turn the filter clockwise to lock it into place. Now flush 3 gallons of water through your water dispenser to clear any air from the water line and to check for leaks in the filter housing. Turn the ice maker back on.